So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on this very video we are going to see how we can create a list of figures and tables. So this is my document that I'm working on. So I want us to create for it a list of figures and tables. So this is how we go about. We shall go to these various images in this document. We select them and label them, and we shall have to go on our first page and insert the list of figures and table. So let us go to our first diagram. So I have this image here. I come here, select it, and once I finish selecting it, I'll have to come to my references here. I'll come to my references. When I come to my reference, I'll have to insert caption, and when I'm to insert caption, since this is my first figure, it will be labeled figure 1, and then I'll have to name it. This is so that is it after naming it, and then I will come and have to select the way I'm labeling it. Is it a figure? Is it an equation? So if you have written an equation, you will have to say equation. If it is a figure, you will say a figure, and if it's a table, you say table 1. So for this case, this one is a figure. We shall go with figure. And then the position, you'll have to choose. Are you putting it below the diagram or above the diagram? So we shall go with below the diagram. Then excluding label from caption, meaning that if we exclude this label here, that figure 1 won't appear. The word figure won't appear. It will just appear one cathode diagram, but let's include it figure 1. Then I will say okay. And then from there, I'll move on to my next diagram. I'll come here, first edit small, then select this diagram, come to insert captions. I'll say insert caption. So when I insert caption, this will be figure 2 already, you can see. And then I label it maybe so leave it as a figure. I leave the caption to be put below, and then I say okay. Then I move on. I can come to this one here, then I can label it. This is my figure 3. Put here maybe and then leave the settings as it was in the first diagram. Then move on. You move on to the whole document, selecting the figures or the tables and labeling them, putting these captions. You move on like that till when you finish all your diagrams. So for our demonstration, we shall have to first stop there. Then, having inserted captions on all your diagrams or all your images or all your tables in your document, you'll put your cursor at the start of this document, and let's put our list of tables and figures on our first page. So to do that, I'll have to first create a blank document. So come on my home, insert blank page. I need a blank page here. You can say break page, and when I break the page, this will be my blank page. So when I begin, I'll come back to my references. When I come back to my reference, I'll say insert table of figures. So this is what it will be like. I can either choose this or this. So I'll go with this template, and then type tab leader. I can show page numbers. I can say right align. So when you deselect this, you can see the changes that will happen. When you select it, it will be right aligned. And then I can choose maybe to change the format of those dots, the table leader, the tab leader. I can say none, but it's good, so you go with at least that. Then from template you can choose, you can see this formal, that's formal. Maybe you want to put it simple. This is the format of how you want your list of figure to be. It can be centered, and I'll go with formal. Then from here I'll say include label and number. Yes, the figure plus the number. Then I'll press OK. And this is my figure, my list of figure. Then from there I would have already inserted my list of figure, showing that figure 1 is on page 6. You can see figure 2 is on page 8. Figure 3 about alpha bombardment is on page 8 also. Figure 4 about mass spectrum is on page 11. So that's how we go about with this list of figures. And you can see here right below this image, it has been put there, figure 3 alpha bombardment. You can see figure 4 mass spectrum. So thank you so much for being good subscribers, being good so continue liking my video, being good listeners, and being good learners. Thank you so much. It has been a good journey, and we are still continuing. For any question that you haven't understood, put it into the comment section and I'll be able to reply to you. Thank you so much.